Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Okay, now we'll move to the template. First, we'll create a template for vSmart. So the same procedure, create template from feature template. We will select our device, that is vSmart. Okay, so vSmart template. Okay, so logging, nothing, security, OMP. Okay, logging template we need to create, I think. Logging, nothing on new server. Okay, if you are using any server, so no, I think this will also not require. I cancel it. OMP template we can create. There will maybe version 6 is enabled. OMP template. Okay, graceful restart. That's it. Done. Timer. Okay, here we don't have any IPv4, IPv6, so that's the default one. So if all are default, then we don't need to create this one also. I think it's got hang. So I will start again from feature template, vSmart. So system logging, OMP security. Check that one. What is this one? DTLS. Okay, nothing. VPN 0 we will require because one interface and my topology from VPN 0 ETH1. So VPN 0 name we can transport VPN. No DNS, no route. Okay, route should be there. So 0000 slash 0. So only we have only one vSmart, so we are not using any two vSmart. So what I will do, I will put the values here directly. I will not configure as a device specific. So my default is 10.10.10.29. 10.10.10.29. So this value I can directly put here. There's no need to put the device specific because only we are using one vSmart. We are not going to attach this template with any other devices. So now we need to configure VPN interface. VPN int ETH1. Control A, Control C, Control B. Shutdown no. Globally, no. Interface is ETH1. Okay. That we can say transport. Static IP we can give here because we are using only one 10.10.10.30.30.
So Sachin, what if we forgot to configure any custom templates? I mean, being a newcomer, I mean, I really don't know which one to be selected and which one to be configured manually or a custom templates needed. So in that case, like what could go wrong or Will
See,
it accept or how is
there,
it?
there is a two condition. If you created some wrong template and because of your wrong template, control connection code down of that device, so it will be revert back. And if there is another mistake, for example, I will show you that what I'm talking about. Tunnel interface on, globally on. Okay, color default. I will show you. Save. Suppose here you can see these are the asterisk mark. These are the mandatory template, right? By chance you forget to define this 512, right? For example, just I have created this template and I will assign this template to vSmart. It will give you me the error. 512 template is a must and 512 interface is a must. You forget that, so it will not attach it. If you want to see, I can show you right now. Okay, let me click on create. I'm going to attach this one with vSmart. Attach. Okay, host name is same. Other IP address I already put it, so it is not asking from me. 2.2.2.2. Site ID I am using 5. Site ID 5. That's it. Update. Next. Configure. So it should give the error here that 512 template is must. You forget that configuration. So if the template, because of the template control connection getting down, so edge will revert the template, and some are the basic thing that you forget, then it should give you the error. Wait, please wait. It should share the error. Okay, success. It should not be a success because I forgot to attach the ETH0 template. Let me share this. Show running config. Okay, it removed the ETH0 basically. Normally it's give the error. I don't know why it's not giving the error right now. So it should give the error that you forget to configure ETH0. Either I
So
should
it's zero is for management, right?
management, yeah. It will not delete a management interface. So in production environment, it's gives this kind of error. So I think maybe it's lab. So let me configure that one as a template. Okay, in feature template. Okay, here I need to add it. Feature template, add it. Transport management. Under the management, I need to configure one interface. Okay, this one is there. Eighth one I have configured. No, ETH0. Shutdown no. Interface name ETH0. And that's it. Here I can see the management interface. Dynamically I can select. I'm using DSCP and save, update, and it will be push again. So normally in last time I have seen that this kind of error it will show you. By chance, if you created some wrong thing, I think yesterday we have seen when I have put it the same IP which was already as a gateway I have configured. So this both the IP was same. So because of the value, it shared the error, and sometimes because of the wrong configuration it will share the error. Suppose when I'm attaching this template and forget to add the interface of VPN 0, and because of the template it's getting delete, so it will show me the error, no, I cannot delete your transport management because your connection will be go down. So those kind of error it will show you. Okay, so now we have the template. Yesterday even we have seen that I have put it the wrong IP address. So it is attached, but it was showing out of sync. So now right now two templates we have. Now we can go to the policies.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.